are many Jamaicans who support governments like how they support football teams. Desmond McKenzie is a big supporter of Manchester United. I am a Liverpool fan. And I know when Liverpool won the Premiership, and I put up my Liverpool shirt, a lot of people were upset with me. That's how it is. But the consequences of supporting the wrong football team is neither here nor there. The consequence of supporting the wrong government. So I make the clear point to everyone listening that government matters. And there is a deliberate attempt by some to say that government doesn't matter, but yet they are saying, hey, let me be government. There are some who are saying the reduction in crime is not as a result of the government, but they are saying, hey, let me be government and I will even reduce the crime more. Which is it? So I say to the Jamaicans who are watching, who are listening, I urge you to think about the choice that you have. Elections are not about football teams. Don't believe that all of this is going to continue when you change government. Don't believe that all of this continues, because somehow, a different government will do the same thing we are doing. So I'm a realist. I know I've done a lot of work. There is no one can say that I don't work hard. There are some people who will say they are working. But I am the real one who have done the work. And you can see the work almost every day. But there are those who are irrational. There are those who don't vote on reason. There are those who are merely supporting a football team. And you saw it. They gathered at Heroes Park and asked, why are you here? I am here supporting my football team, whatever it is. But if you let those people determine your future, you cannot allow those people to determine your future. So I urge you, as I close my presentation to you, as I have shown you the work that we have done, as I have shown you what is to come and for which you can have faith. Not empty faith, but real faith. Yeah. Because you know what faith is. Right? So it is the substance of the things that you have hoped for. The substance. So when you see this highway, when you see all of what we have said, it gives you the substance. But we also give you the evidence of it. When we show you the Morant Bay Urban Center, when we show you the South Coast Highway Improvement Project, when we show you what we have done with the economy, you know you can have faith in this government. That when we tell you something, it's not an empty promise. We're not selling horses that can fly. So my friends gathered and those on social media and those watching on broadcasts and newscasts, I urge you to think carefully on the choice before you in our democracy, to look at the work that has been done and the commitment made for future work and development. We believe that we are the best choice for the people of Jamaica. We have worked hard. We have done what you have required. I urge you, choose Jamaica.
Thank you very much, Prime Minister. You know, PM, as you were talking about Portland, I thought to myself, maybe I should move to Portland. But I think I will stay in my parish, St. Thomas, and enjoy my urban center. All right. So at this time, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to invite, he's already on his feet. I'm going to invite the Honorable Darrell Vaz to move the vote of that.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. All protocols observed. I'm here to give the vote of thanks. And I requested that because I wanted to give the vote of thanks while the Prime Minister is in the parish of Portland. And I want to say unequivocally that no Prime Minister and no government has done even 10% of what has happened in Portland from I became Member of Parliament in 2007 and Anne-Marie Vaz became Member of Parliament in 2019. I would go further to say that it is too many millions to count. My calculator can't go so far because it is hundreds and hundreds of millions of United States dollars, not Jamaican dollars, from road to water to Boundbrook Center to the NHT project that is going to happen at Pasley Gardens, to the water project that the Prime Minister just announced, to the entire development of the waterfront in Port Antonio, the bypass of Port Antonio to allow for people who are not doing business in Port Antonio to go. It is just too much. And I want to say on behalf, Prime Minister, of Member of Parliament Anne-Marie Vaz and myself and every well-thinking Portlander, a hearty thank you for your vision, but not only your vision, putting the plans in place and the funding in place to effect the transformation that we have seen in Portland. And it's not because I am the Member of Parliament. I can only do as much as I can do, which is to lobby and to try and get my piece of the share and my piece of the pie for Portland, while all the other parishes and Member of Parliaments are doing the same thing. We will not let you down because we appreciate it. We appreciate everything that you have done and every discussion that you have led. And let me state it clearly that some of the things that you see that are being implemented come from his vision, his thought process in relation to what he wants to see Portland become, because it is no secret that Portland is the Prime Minister's favorite parish outside. And he has said it, so I'm not saying anything. He has spent a lot of time here in his youth, and he just loves the people, he loves the vibe, and he loves the place. So I could never let today pass, because I know we are going into a certain season now where everything is going to get all over the place, pure misinformation and bad mind and all that goes with it. So I wanted, in a very sober setting, Prime Minister, to tell you that we do not take it for granted, and we appreciate everything, because it's not only about the vision, it is the connecting of the dots to make sure that that vision is implemented. And I stand here proud to be a part of that team that is transforming Portland from a forgotten parish to the most popular and the most infrastructure that has taken place in Portland between 2016 and now. I close by saying, Prime Minister, we will not let you down. Don't watch the noise, watch the sail. And I stand here to tell you that you have bigger things to go and look about. When you are starting on that journey, whenever you decide to, you don't need to come back to Portland. You have done everything before election. We don't need you. Go and look for the ones that need some more help. We thank you from the bottom of our hearts. You are the best Prime Minister that this country has ever seen. And what is more, and I want to leave you with this because I'm a subject of it too. Who God bless, no man curse. And more importantly, Jamaican people don't stone Fluxy Mango. That is a East Indian, a Bombay, and a Julie put together. He is the best. Pray for him because you know that when it comes to him and me, them after we every day. Can't do nothing right. But God don't sleep in money put on in pajamas. God is watching over you, sir. And we will be victorious. God bless you.
And let me say it, repeat it. Representation matters. Your government matters. Choose Jamaica. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, Minister Vaz and MP Vaz. So at this time, ladies and gentlemen, we're at that point where we actually get to break the ground. Are you excited? I'm excited because the work begins now. So thank you so very much for being with us today. To those who are online, thank you also for joining us. I do believe that you'll be able to see what's happening over by the groundbreaking.